Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to tune up your sprinklers. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do some digging around the sprinkler. We're not gonna remove the whole sprinkler, we're just gonna remove the top part. Alright, so I'm gonna clean up around the sprinkler. Like I said, I'm not gonna do any hole because I don't need to remove the whole sprinkler, and just clean it up a little bit just to make sure that no dirt will go in the body of the sprinkler. Alright, so I'm gonna use this plier to remove it. But like I said, make sure only the top part is moving or is turning, not the whole thing. See, this one wasn't that tight. Alright, so now that I have it out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and wash it. I'm gonna try to remove all the dirt, make sure it has no rocks, and also I'm gonna spray some WD-40 to the spring. Alright, so I'm gonna take it and wash it. Another important thing that you need to do is remove the nozzle, because there is a filter inside that you also gonna need to clean it up and make sure it's, when you put it back, make sure it's clean. Alright, so I'm gonna spray some WD-40 to the sprinkler, especially to the spring, and that's gonna help the spring. This sprinkler was having some problem, it was staying up, it wasn't coming down. So the WD-40 is gonna help it get loose and it won't stay up. Alright, now that it's nice and clean, I'm gonna put it back in. You can tie them up by hand, but if you have a plier, that probably will work better. Alright, so I'm gonna tie them up a little bit, and when you're done, go to the timer and turn the water on for like a minute, and just check around the sprinkler just to make sure there is no leak and you don't have to remove it again. Alright, I'm gonna lift it up. I feel like it's gonna be okay. It's not gonna stay up, but I'm gonna test it just to make sure it's gonna work. I ended up replacing the nozzle for a dual spray nozzle, and it looks good. So that's the way you guys can tune up your sprinklers. That's perfect.